What's up, guys? Welcome back to We Are the Coders. Today we are going to make a game in Python. It's a ghost game in which you choose one of three doors, and one door has a ghost behind it, and the other two has another room behind it. If you choose the ghost door, you die. Otherwise, you get to play. You get to keep playing. So now let's start making it, and we're gonna learn a lot of new things today. So yeah, stay tuned. And so the first code we are gonna write is hash symbol and ghost game. So this is called a comment, and this line of code, it won't do anything to the game. It'll just, like, if someone is viewing your code, it'll make it clear what you're doing to them. It won't change anything in your code. And then the next line is from random import randint. So what this does is, with the functions you get in Python, there are some additional modules that you can import, and random is one of those modules, but we don't need all the functions in the module. So I just put from the random module import the randint function. Now we're going to use that function. We're going to create a variable called ghost door, and then we are gonna put randint 1 comma 3. So what this does is, it assigns the ghost door variable to a random number between 1 and 3. That's the that's the function of randint. It chooses a random number in the range that you give. And then the next variable that we're gonna be adding is score, and for now we are gonna set it with 0. We are gonna manipulate it later. So this is the basic game setup, and now Vidyut is gonna show you how to create the story that will be shown when you run it. And guys, you don't need to test this by running it, because it won't do anything to the code. It will just remain blank. So yeah, guys, and don't forget to save it. I'm just gonna save it as, yeah, ghost game 1. And yeah, now Vidit will show you how to make the story for the game.
This game setup. So yeah, I'm going to do the story. So let's start. Okay, first we will add the while true. Yeah, while true. Then I'm going to add a colon. Yeah, start. Now I'm going to start print so that we can see. Yeah, it's, if you have a doubt what's while true, yeah, if you know forever loop in Scratch, that's in Python the forever loop is while true. Yeah. Now let's start the code. So yes, first sentence. Sorry, you are in a room. Then print again the print function and the brackets, and the next code will be that there are three, sorry, three, sorry, those in front of you, and again the print and brackets, and I'm going to do it again. Now behind two of them, sorry, of them, two of them, there goes, and again print. Now here behind the other there is another room. Sorry. Yeah, I have full stop, comma, and again I'm going to add full stops. Full stop, and full stop. Yeah, that's it. And Neil will show you the if loops and disco. Bye.
So now guys, Vidit has showed you how to make the story. And sorry, Vidit just said behind instead of behind. This please correct it. And yeah, so now let's make the if loops. And before that, you can see Vidyut has like put 2 have goals and 1 doesn't. So that will make the game real hard. And if you want it to be real hard, then keep it like this. But I don't want it to be that hard, so I'll just change it to behind one of them. There is a ghost, and behind the others there is another. Okay. And now we're gonna just print one more line. Let's say pick a door, 1, 2, or 3. Let me just remove this comma. Yep. And now we're gonna put some couple of question marks in there. Yeah. So now we're gonna give them a chance to enter their input. We're gonna create a variable called door. This will store which door they pick. And now we're gonna type in int. So if whatever goes in here, it will convert it into a number so that the program will treat it as a number. We can do math stuff with the variable and all. And now we're gonna put input. And yeah, this will ask for the input. Now we're gonna type in wait, we actually don't need this. Sorry guys, let me just copy this. Oh god, sorry guys. We can just put this in here. Yep, and we can delete this line. Perfect. And now guys, make sure to put 2 brackets because there's one for the input and one for the like in thing. So yeah, please put 2 brackets, otherwise nothing will work. Okay, now let's get to the if loops because we know what variable they've entered. I mean what number they've chosen. So if the door is not equal to, this exclamatory equal to sign is not equal to, if door is not equal to ghost door, then that means they have not picked the ghost door. Then we're gonna print you chose the correct door, so you passed. And now full stop and close this. And yeah, so now this will continue the loop from the start. So yeah, that's it. And now next one is if door is let's say greater than 3, that means it's invalid, or door is lesser than 1, that's also invalid. So then we are gonna put print invalid entry. Yep. And for the next one, I'm going to put if door And guys, we should to put double equals here because double equals is the way Python checks for values. Don't put a single equals, please. Single equals is for making variables. So yeah. And yeah, so if door is equal to ghost door, that means they did die. I mean, they did go into the room with the ghost. We're gonna put print. You went into the room with the ghost, so you died. Yeah. Oh, sorry for not putting a Y here. Yep. And now we're gonna put a thing called break, and it's gonna chuck us from this loop. 1 sec, we need to put it, I mean, yeah, like here only. Tab, break, thank you. And now here we're gonna put in the score. So we can see score is 0. So now let's work with that. Here we're gonna put print your final score is score. We need to close out the string here. So this will put the variable here. And now every time we get a correct door, we're just gonna put score is equal to, I have typed soccer. Score is equal to score plus 5. Or to shorten this out, there's a trick that you can use. You can just make it score plus equal to 5. And this is gonna do the same thing, guys. So now let's run and test it. Boom. Okay, so it tells the story. Pick a door 1, 2, or 3. Let's go to. Oh god, I died in the first attempt. Okay, guys, so this is how this works. Yep, that's it for this video. Bye, guys.